As the heat cranks up, nothing is more refreshing than a dip into some cool pool water. Here at the Goodyear Community Pool, you can enjoy all kinds of free and low-cost events. Let's start with the freebies. Enjoy family night on select Saturdays from 6 to 9:30 p.m. June 16th is Superhero Night, and July 28th is a back-to-school bash. Teen nights are on the following dates, June 9th, and then on July 21st. Free admission for music, games, pizza, and more. Open swim admission is $1.50 now through September. Kids under 3 are free. There are also adult fitness classes. One of them is water aerobics, now through August 3rd, Monday through Thursday from 7:15 to 8:15 p.m. Pay just $3 per class. When it comes to the kiddos, what is their favorite part?
Jumping in to the deep end, do backstrokes, and have fun.
That was my favorite part too. Now other city pools have similar prices and activities. For those, go to abc15.com/smartshopper.